What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Yeah, y'all see it. Yeah, like drip. Y'all see it, man. New whip alert. Y'all know every time. Y'all knew it was coming. Y'all knew it was coming. Y'all know I'm not finna make a move for nothing. A new whip alert in the building. We in the building, man. I'm hyped. I'm just hyped. And I'm getting it delivered. Delivery. I ain't even got to go get it. I said, hey, what did it call? I'm gonna pay you, bring it to me. So it coming, man. It coming. I'm excited. I'm finna move some stuff around. I'm finna get the movement. It look a little thin out there. I told wife the other day, I said, man, we looking a little thin out here. We had 2 of them leave within a week. Within 7 days, 2 of them gone. Brown coat and nano left within a week. Yep. So finna get to moving these things around. I got some more stuff shaking too, man. I got some trees getting cut today too in the vlog. Y'all see these big tall, my boy Vaughn coming over here. Y'all know I use the same people. Miller clearing and grading. But these big pine trees, man, we've been wanting these things out the way so I can have a peace of mind and wife and everyone else can be safe. These ones that tall enough to where if they fall this way, they'll hit in the house. They got to go. So I'm getting 6 on cut today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have peace of mind. Everything else, if they come down, you know, it'll be all right. I might pay them a little extra, tell them to take that one too. Right here, tell them to take that one too. Go ahead and get that. That's a big tall boy. I'm gonna shoot my boy a little extra. Like, hey, come get that one too, brother. While you over here. And hey, I'm gonna tell y'all this too. But they're gonna be a whole nother series, man. Finally, the code finally came back for that. I've been working on that. I had to wait 3 weeks for the code just for, you know, to see what we got to do. With my family stuff, been checking on it. So the concrete slab finally finna come and get poured, man. I've been waiting. I've been doing that before all of this. Before all of this, been having that shaking. Cause I told y'all when I get started on that, it's just gonna. Then we had the weather, been raining, so grass started growing up. But the concrete people came by, grade still good. And we finna go. So this week, they should be coming in, digging the footers and all that stuff. And then I'm gonna call the inspection. They're gonna be digging the footers, putting the rebar out there. I'm gonna get a good slab. It's gonna be a good slab. Reinforced, 6 inches thick for my lifts, all the way the whole slab 6 inches thick. I know you can do a little spot, but I'm doing the whole slab. So 6 inch thick slab, 30 by 40 shot. It's underway. We finally finna have that concrete out there, man. Then everything will get pushed up. And I think I'm down to 2 companies who I want to use for the building. I got to get with one. I'm waiting on one to give me a turnaround time. But one gave me a turnaround time, and it's pretty good. So shot finally finna go up, man. I told y'all, man, I've been making moves. 2 cars left, and I will be replacing them. I don't know how fast or how soon. But I had my eye on something. But I don't know how fast or how soon I'll be replacing both spots with the cars. But the shop going up. The shop finna happen, man. So me and wife are excited about that. We finna put the concrete coming. So this week on the vlog channel, y'all probably gonna see some shop action going on too. Some concrete. I'm gonna log the whole series of it going up. So y'all stay tuned for that. But today is new whip alert, man. I'm excited. I'm geeked up, man. So I'm finna move stuff around so we can, with me and wife, we finna slide this stuff down to the end of the road, cause you know, you gotta clear everything when these big boy right here come down. Even though he gonna probably drop him in the wood, but we just clear everything. So Turn y'all back on when the whip pull up. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Listen, business been handled. Oh, I'm about to kill the battery. Hold on. Business has been handled. I'm about to kill the battery already. Business been handled, man. And I have my new ride sitting right here. Right here. I'm finna go get the tag for it and everything, man. First drive. I got this boy. It's tough. Hey, it's tough. It's tough. I gotta hurry up though, man. I'm finna show it to y'all, man, cause it's nasty. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but it's nasty, man. So look. Woo! Boy, look. I'm finna show y'all this nag, man. What y'all think it is? I know what everybody gonna put. I know what everybody thinking it is, man. But I'm gonna count to 3. We're gonna count down. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Y'all said take about another Regal. But y'all know, I told y'all Regal my favorite G-body. I've been wanting this car for a minute. This one of my partners I've been knowing, man, for some years, boy. I've been wanting this car. This joker nasty. Whoo. Then it's one of my favorite colors. I love grays and silvers, man. I love grays and look at this, man. This joker here is it. This is it. I've been wanting this car, boy. Oh, it's just clean and nano. I ain't lost nothing. Look at that. Just like nano on a different profile. Dome light work. Everything dome light work. It's just like nano. Ooh, she nasty, boy. She is nasty. Ooh, she nasty. Let me get that thumbnail. Let me get that. Y'all know I gotta do my new whip alert thumbnail. Yes, sir. But look, I'm gonna crank this thing up for y'all. But I got to go get the tag first. So I'm finna get over here. I got a lot going on at the house. Let me go get the tag. We get back. I'm gonna crank it up. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. I made it back from the tag play. So I'll show y'all, man. I'm gonna pull the old Regal up here after my boy Bond get finished, Miller clearing and grading. Y'all know y'all done seen him in action plenty of time, man. He finna get it done. Finna get it done. Look, it's a bad man right here. He taking down 7 pine trees. I showed y'all earlier. So he finna take these joker down, man. Finna get these, sell them. I have peace of mind for my family, so you know, cause that stuff get to swim, man. That stuff fall in your house, kill you in your sleep, whatever, smash your property. So you know, that's what we doing. Getting these joker tucked down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then my shop. Gonna get the shop on the way, the concrete, all that. Y'all see that bad nag down there? I'm gonna crank it up for y'all, man, when we get done. Cause I gotta pull the fleet back up here, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, taking in. Look, he done dropped 3 of them already. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. This junk, he'll never get old, y'all. They never get old how he dropped these trees. Check them out. I'm talking about be getting it done, boy. Miller clearing and grading. Y'all hit them up. You need any work. Y'all know y'all been seeing them for the last 3, 4, 5 years. Really, probably longer than that. I ain't had a vlog channel going, but man, y'all, they get down. And then I be telling people I'm gonna have them cut, and then they'll look at the height on them. They say, hey, what they gonna do? Go up there and limb it down? I said, nah, he gonna drop the whole tree. You know, some people climb up the tree and cut it down. I said, nah, he gonna drop the whole tree. So it'd be he tripped me out. Yeah. Check them out. Check them out now. It's over here for to go down, y'all. It's going down, what? There it go. It's out of here. It's out of here. That joker shake the ground when it hit, boy. That joker shake the ground when it hit. Look, she's trying to get the footage. She's trying to get the footage. That joker shake the ground when it hit, boy. Yeah, that one big. That thing said boom. Man, I trip out every time he come, y'all. I sit out here and look at him. It just amazing me, man. I sit out here and look at it every time he do it, so. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna pull that new thing up here so y'all can see it in a minute, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We checking in. So the as you can see, the bottom done fell out. So I'm gonna have to catch y'all on another video. Crank this nag up. It been a day, boy. It turned out. It done turned out to be a day, a good and a so-so day. That's all I can say, man. That's all I can say. So we got the trees going, man. He got 2 more to cut. You got to come back and cut them 2 right there. The bottom fell out, just threw everything off, man. I'm having to run back and forth, get out of the car, pull them up, man. It been wild. Then I found out that there wasn't no door key. And I usually always check these things, man. I always check the key before I even lock the door. Every time I buy a car. But this one I just didn't, man. I ain't check it. The car was down there at the end of the driveway. And I had managed to get all the cars back up here and covered up. The wind blowing hard too, man. I'm scrambling. I managed to get all of them back up here and covered up. And would have got this one. Got to the last, got down there. Started sticking the key in there. I said, man, I know it ain't. I said, maybe the lock upside down. Stuck it in up there. Wasn't working. I said, God, ain't no door key. So y'all know what I had to do. I had to go in there with a clothes hanger. Which I did it pretty fast, but the bottom fell out. So I came up here, man, had to let the rain ease up. Ran down there, got in the passenger side, made me a hook, a J hook, and went in there and whoop. I popped it up in less than a minute. So that was a good thing. I got it open there, got in there, and got it up there. So man, then it's at night now. Then the bottom fell out again and it started thundering and lightning. So I was like, man, it wasn't meant to hear today, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear. I'm gonna do an official first drive call. I ain't got on it or nothing like that. I just drove to get the tag call. Today was kind of a rush day. Today been a rush day, man, cause it been so much going on, man. Like I had to get back. Got some stuff done inside the house, so I had to get back, make sure that guy was in here and straight. Then had to get back and make sure Vaughn was situated and move the car. So it just been back and forth, man. Like I ain't got a chance to just sit down and just reflect. So, but we got it though. I'm glad I got it, man. Y'all saw it. I debuted it. I wanted to let y'all see it. And come up with a name for it. We're gonna do a first drive. All that good stuff, man. I've been wanting that car. I got some plans too. I mean, I got some stuff I gotta do at the front end, suspension wise. But I'm gonna give y'all like detailed overview of the car. I know it was kind of quick today, but it because it was so much going on today. Like a lot of people in and out, stuff getting done. So I ain't just get to sit down, decompress, and let y'all, you know, really see what's to it. So I kind of just showed y'all and kind of quick glimpse of the interior, but I got to show y'all everything to it, and why I wanted this story and all that stuff. So you know, that's just what it is. But we got these trees moving and shaking. Y'all see it look a whole lot different. Them big pines came down. He gonna come back and cut them up tomorrow, and then get them two right there. Yeah, he gonna take them two down, and I don't know, we're gonna move on with the concrete, man. The concrete next, man. So yeah, I think they're gonna about wrap it up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.